Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel Nurturemite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of garlic. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Garlic. Garlic is a part of the onion family, and the bulb of this herb typically consists of 10 to 20 smaller sections called cloves. Each small clove is a powerhouse of flavor as well as medicinal properties. Garlic is native to Central Asia and northeastern Iran and has long been a common seasoning worldwide, with a history of several thousand years of human consumption and use. It was known to ancient Egyptians and has been used both as a food flavoring and as a traditional medicine. In ancient Rome, it was much used for food among the poor. China produces some 80% of the world's supply of garlic. Garlic, Allium sativum, is a strong-smelling, pungent-tasting herb. It is a close relative of onion and is native to Central Asia. It has been used as a food flavoring agent and as a traditional medicine. The health benefits of garlic are aplenty. Garlic is a part of the onion family, and the bulb of this herb typically consists of 10 to 20 smaller sections called the cloves. Each small clove is a powerhouse of flavor as well as medicinal properties. Prevention of heart disease. Consuming garlic on a daily basis, in food or raw, helps to lower cholesterol levels because the antioxidant properties of allicin. It is also immensely beneficial to regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Garlic can lower total and LDL cholesterol. Garlic seems to have no significant effects of triglyceride levels. Antibacterial and antiparasitic. Garlic is one of the best kept medicinal treasures of the past era. It has been used as an antibiotic to treat bacterial, fungal, and parasitic infections for the last 7,000 years. Cancer prevention. Daily consumption of garlic prevent the stomach and colorectal cancers. It is said to strengthen the immunity of the body against cancer. For skin and hair. Garlic protects the skin from the effect of free radicals and slows down the depletion of collagen, which leads to the loss of elasticity in aging skin. Applied topically, garlic does wonders to the skin infected with fungal infections, provides relief from skin ailments like eczema. It is also an effective remedy for fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworms. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic reduces high blood pressure and protects from various cardiovascular diseases. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage. High doses of garlic supplements have been shown to increase antioxidant enzymes in humans, as well as significantly reduce oxidative stress in those with high blood pressure. The combined effects of reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, as well as antioxidant properties, may reduce the risk of common brain diseases like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic may help you live longer. Garlic could help you live longer. The fact that it can fight infectious disease and is an important factor because these are the common causes of death, especially in the elderly or people with dysfunctional immune systems. Reduces hypertension. Garlic is an herbal ingredient for lowering high blood pressure. When exposed to high levels of pressure, the allicin present in it relaxes the blood vessels. It also fights against thrombosis by reducing platelet aggregation. Preventing heavy metal poisoning. High doses of garlic can prevent organ damage caused by heavy metals. The sulfur compounds in this herb drastically reduce lead levels in the blood. Additionally, it also prevents the signs of toxicity such as headaches and high blood pressure. Sulfur also aids in better absorption of iron and zinc in the blood. Bone health. Herbs like garlic and onion impact estrogen levels in menopausal women, preventing the risk of osteoarthritis. They also minimize bone loss and improve overall bone health. Eye care. It is rich in nutrients like selenium, quercetin, and vitamin C, all of which help treat eye infections and inflammation. Relieves earaches. This herb, due to its antiviral, antifungal, and antibiotic properties, is commonly used for giving relief from earaches and ear infections. Weight loss. Garlic aids in weight loss and reduces obesity. It reduces the expression of genes that are involved in adipogenesis, which leads to the formation of fat cells. The herb increases thermogenesis, which helps burn fat and reduce LDL bad cholesterol levels. Prevents fatty liver. Garlic, rich in S-allele mercaptocystine and antioxidants, helps prevent fatty liver. These compounds also reduce the risk of hepatic injury. Eating it on an empty stomach makes it a powerful natural antibiotic. It is more effective when you eat it before breakfast because bacteria are exposed and cannot define itself from succumbing to its power. Avocado, carrots, chicken, coconut, couscous, eggs, fish sauce, lamb, noodles, seafood, shallots, soy sauce and tomato, beans, beef, chicken, lamb, mushrooms, onion, pasta, potatoes, pork, seafood, spinach, tomatoes and bread. Beef, carrot, chicken, fish, tea, sweet potato, pineapple and seafood go well with garlic. How to buy and store garlic. The garlic bulb should be firm with papery dry skin and have no sprouting. Soft bulbs indicate overripe garlic that will not store for very long. Avoid shriveled garlic bulbs or those that are stored in the refrigerated section of the grocery store. Refrigerating garlic is a bad idea as it causes the bulb to deteriorate. Refrigerating garlic bulbs add moisture and can cause bulb to grow moldy. If you have chopped or minced fresh garlic, you can store it in the refrigerator in a sealed container for a short period, but use it as soon as possible. Freezing is not recommended because it changes the consistency and flavor of the garlic. Garlic bulbs can be kept in a mesh or wire basket, a small bowl with ventilation holes, or even a paper bag. Do not store fresh garlic bulbs in plastic bags or sealed containers. This can cause mold and sprouting. Keep your garlic away from sunlight and moisture to avoid sprouting. New seasoned garlic has milder flavor than regular garlic and can be used in place of onions and leeks in cooking. Uses of garlic for hair growth. Rub sliced cloves of garlic on your scalp, squeezing as you go for most benefit. You can also infuse oil with garlic and massage it to your scalp. In addition to preventing hair loss, using garlic like this also acts one of the most effective dandruff remedies out there. Rubbing crushed garlic extract on your scalp or massaging with garlic infused oil is known to prevent and even reverse hair loss. Sore throat. Garlic is invaluable medicine for asthma, hoarseness, coughs, difficulty of breathing, and most other disorders of the lungs, being of particular virtue in chronic bronchitis, on account of its powers of promoting expectoration. Asthma. An older remedy for asthma that was most popular is a syrup of garlic, made by boiling the garlic bulbs till soft and adding an equal quantity of vinegar to the water in which they have been boiled, and then sugared and boiled down to a syrup. The syrup is then poured over the boiled garlic bulbs, which have been allowed to dry meanwhile, and kept in a jar. Each morning, a bulb or two should be taken with a spoonful of syrup. Ear infections. Wrap a small piece of garlic in some tissue and insert it into the ear. Leave it there overnight if possible. Pain is almost immediately removed and the infection tends to start clearing up overnight. Starchy throat. Put a small slice of garlic in your mouth and suck it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then scratch it with your teeth a little to help stimulate the juice from the garlic slice. This juice slides down your throat and removes the pain. Insect bites. Garlic can heal the pain caused by insect bites, like those of scorpions and centipedes. The juice of fresh garlic mixed with salt can be applied to bruises, sprains, and ringworms. Colds. At the first sign of cold, chop up 4 cloves of raw garlic and eat or use it as a garnish in soups. Toothache. Cut raw garlic and rub the cut edge on the tooth and gums a couple of times a day to stop toothache. Warts. Take fresh garlic cloves and crush them. Apply to warts until they disappear. Garlic bread tip. Crush a clove or two onto a dessert spoon, then add olive oil down the hatch. You get the benefits of raw garlic with none of the breath issues. Sinuses. Melt some butter and add minced garlic cloves. Spread on toast and eat. Herpes. Take a garlic clove and cut in half. Eat one half and take other half and rub it onto the affected areas. It may sting a little. Rashes. Use raw garlic juice on rashes and bug bites. It stops the itching immediately. Coughs. 8 to 10 of garlic juice mixed with 2 tablespoons of honey 4 times a day cures a persistent cough. Tonsillitis. Peel a clove of garlic and cut them in half lengthwise. Boil for a couple of minutes in about 1½ cup of water and add a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of butter, a pinch of pepper, and sprinkle with nutmeg. Bloating and constipation. Cut a garlic clove in small pieces. Swallow them all in one go with a little water to cure bloating, stomach cramps, and constipation. Asthma cure. 10 drops of garlic juice with 2 teaspoons of honey cures asthma. Safety profile. Asthma patients should not consume garlic as it may have side effects. Garlic should be avoided before surgeries or medical operations. Do not consume more than 2 to 3 cloves in a day without consulting a doctor. Excess intake of this herb may cause irritation in the digestive system. Excess of garlic can cause redness, swelling, or blistering. Garlic might also cause a condition called pemphigus, an autoimmune disease. Garlic overdose could also cause kidney hematomas, swelling of clotted blood within the tissues of kidneys, chemical burns in the mouth, and life-threatening allergic reactions. Garlic breath and body odor were two of the most common adverse effects associated with garlic. Consuming garlic on an empty stomach can cause diarrhea. Garlic can lead to a condition called hyphema, which refers to bleeding inside the eye chamber, the space between the iris and the cornea. Garlic fun facts. Garlic has germanium in it. Germanium is an anti-cancer agent, and garlic has more of it than any other herb. In lab tests, mice fed garlic showed no cancer development, whereas mice that weren't fed garlic showed at least some. Garlic has been shown to retard tumor growth in human subjects in some parts of the world. Garlic and onions are toxic to cats and dogs. Garlic can thin the blood similar to the effect of aspirin. Drinking lemon juice or eating a few slices of lemon will stop bad garlic breath. It is traditional to plant garlic on the shortest day of the year. Whether this is for symbolic or practical reasons is unclear. The smell of garlic can be removed by running your hands under cold water while rubbing a stainless steel object. Garlic is a member of the onion family, which also includes leeks and shallots. Its pungent flavor is due to the chemical reaction that occurs when the garlic cells are broken. The flavor is most intense just after mincing. The majority of garlic, 90%, grown in the United States comes from California. Garlic has been used to infuse vodka and as an ingredient to make cocktails. China grows a staggering 2/3 of the world's garlic, believed to be around 46 million pounds per year. There are some people who are really afraid of garlic. This is basically a phobia, and there is a technical term for it. It is called allium phobia. Chicagoa is a Native American word for a variant of wild garlic. It is this word from where the name Chicago has been derived. Keep your dogs and cats away from garlic. It is toxic for them. In USA, there is something called National Garlic Day. It is celebrated on April 19th every year. It is believed that ancient Egypt, the builders of the Great Pyramid of Giza, were given garlic to eat so that they can get endurance and strength. There are some Buddhist traditions in which garlic plus another 5 pungent spices is thought to be stimulants of aggressive behavior and sexual desires, and hence eating garlic is forbidden. Consumption of other 5 pungent spices is also forbidden. Muslims are not allowed to go to mosques right after eating garlic. This law is based on several hadith. In Hinduism, garlic is considered to warm up one's body and also stimulate it. It is because of this many devout Hindus avoid using garlic and even onion, which is related to garlic, in preparation of food. In those countries where Navroz is celebrated, garlic is one of the 7 seen table items. Navroz is New Year in Persian calendar, and Seven Scene is a traditional display during the New Year. Cultivation of garlic started some 4,000 years ago, making it one of the oldest and first herbs to be cultivated by humans. Garlic is considered both a vegetable and a herb. During Tutankhamun's reign, 15 pounds of garlic could be used for purchasing a healthy slave. Did you know that Hippocrates of Greece used to treat cervical cancer with garlic vapors? Share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.